Nidhi Savarni from Mumbai. I have been preparing for IELTS as I am planning to study overseas and I was looking for some guidance. As I was browsing through the net, I came across Western Overseas Virtual Workshop and I was curious to know how could I get it, so I registered. I attended the last workshop and trust me, it was great. All the tips and strategies that were given in those 90 minutes are helping, and now I am taking my classes from Western Overseas. The portal westernoverseas.online is great. Thank you Western Overseas for helping us during this pandemic to keep up with our studies. Heard that you are coming up with another virtual workshop on 27th June. So all you guys who are planning to study overseas, I suggest attend it and get the benefits. As I have, why don't you? Thank you.
You made me a believer.